And I really didn't know what would work and what wouldn't until I got on stage, and I learned gradually what would work. And what worked in the end was stuff that would suit who I was and suit coming from me. And once you crack that, it gets a lot easier, and you know what's funny in your voice and coming from you. And actually, you learn to trust your own worldview and your own perspective a bit more, because that's what's funny about you, is the way you see the world. And then it's easier to write. Nowadays, it's a lot easier for me to sit down, write something that's funny. But when I started out, I would be on those trains a lot with my notebook out, just writing everything and looking at it and thinking, is that funny? I don't know. Like, I'm funny with my friends, but it was just going to be funny on stage. And there's just a lot of trial and error involved, but in a fun way. I think early on it's this really fun discovery of how can I make these jokes work, and now it's a lot more. I know myself more, and it's a lot easier.